I didn't really know what to do with my life. My name is Josie Clanton. I'm from the Pacific Northwest. I was always wanting to pursue a career but couldn't really find what worked. And then one day I was in church and I was asking for prayer, and one of these guys that prayed over me, his name was Terry Cooper. He invited me over and showed me around, and it clicked. I was so darn excited to come to the NRVTA. The first week in fundamentals, I learned more about my trailer than I did the trade. I have an old 90s trailer. I didn't know much about it. And in the first 2 days, I learned more about it than I had in the last 2 years of owning it. Coming into the advanced course, I knew nothing about electricity, nothing about any of these things. But the teachers made sure in their own specialties that I knew and was confident about refrigerators, air conditioners, exteriors. Refrigeration had a lot of intricacies to it that ACs did not have. The teacher put so many bugs into them, it's like I was learning 5 repairs in one refrigerator. Being a nomad for 2 years straight has made me appreciate the frailty of my RV. I've learned a lot, but I've learned more through this course. Everything that I have touched, I'm gaining newfound confidence in to go out in the field and help my customers. I would recommend that anyone that wants to make the most of their time on the road should come to NRVTA.